Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. This is Nell, and in this video I am going to introduce an application which you can easily make animated movies with. This application is so user-friendly and you can learn how to work with it in the next 6 minutes. Since I started editing videos, there have been times that I needed to add a spice to my videos in form of animated characters. And as it is a complete sphere from what I do, which is editing videos, it has been always a challenge to me how I can do this. And finally, I found the answer. Plotagon.
Imagine your friend is going through a breakup with his ex-girlfriend. What would you advise him to do? Hey, what's the matter? I saw Jessica with another guy.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
Well, you broke up with her, didn't you? The way in which your voice rises and falls as you speak. Let me show you an example. I like to play tennis. I like to play tennis. I like to play tennis. I like to play tennis.
I've made all these animated movies with Plotagon like a piece of cake. So if you are a content creator or like me, you are a digital editor, I highly recommend watching this video. Let's begin this tutorial on Plotagon. Alright, when you open Plotagon, this is what you see. A simple window with Create New button to start a new project. But before that, let's see what parts we have here. You have projects that you have made before or you're already working on. In the left hand corner, you can see your subscription status. Mine is bronze, meaning I use the free version of Plotagon, and you can level it up to silver and gold versions and be provided with more characters and more scenes. Let's quickly go through the settings button. Here you can manage content and see what scenes, characters or voices you already have and may uninstall some. In this part you can set the mode either light or dark. And the last part is for changing the language of the application. English, Spanish, Portuguese and others. Okay, let's go back to the home page and create our first animated clip. As you see, there's a pre-selected scene for you which you can change it based on your story. To change the scene, press the name of the scene. Here is TV sofa. You go to the scenes window. Now I should pick one scene. This is the category I'm allowed to use, free. And as you see, I have downloaded some of them before, like the street corner or red and blue elevator. Living room. Now let's pick one. Alright, I go for the restaurant scene. Now it's time to add my characters. Tap No Actor and it brings you to the characters window. Now you can choose from either pre-created characters that you have here, like Barry, Jessica, Paul, Jack, Tony, or others. Or you can create your own character by hitting Create Character. First, you should select the gender. Next, choose the jaw shape. Okay, hairstyle and hair color. Mustache or beard. Eye color. And at the end, you can choose the clothes. Okay, your character was added to your archive. You may want to change the name. His name is Oscar. If you want to change the name, click on the ellipsis, rename character, and type the new name. Joey, okay? If you need to re-edit it, you can click on the pencil button directly or click on the ellipsis, edit character. Alright. Let's pick Joey and go back to the project. Now that I've chosen my character, in this window, I can pick where I want my character to be. Okay, I want him to sit behind the table left. Next, I will add my second character, Jessica, and I want her to sit behind the table right. Now that we have the scene and characters, it's time to set the camera movement or the type of the shot. As you see, we have various options. The camera could be still or moving, or we can take establishing shot. I'll put it on moving forward, and I want it to move from the establishing spot to the table right. Let's check it. Play. Or you can go for the other options, for example, still. So you can have it still, in the middle, on the right side of the table, or for example, on the left side of the table. Okay, enough with the camera. Now we want to make a dialogue between the two characters. Hit the speech bubble and choose the character you want to talk. Joey. And now you should choose a face expression. Here you have a lot of options. I'll put it on shy. I write the dialogue and record a voice for it. Now the record button. I love you. Okay. That was fun. Now it's Jessica's turn. I want her to answer. So again, tap the speech bubble. The actor Jessica. Surprised. And the dialogue. Let's record it. Oh my god! Okay. And bear in mind, for each character, when they are speaking, you can put the camera on dialogue mode by clicking on this camera. Okay, let's put the camera for Joey on dialogue mode and check it out. I love you. Oh my god! That was fun. Okay guys, that was the main story, that you should know how to choose scenes, characters, and how to make a dialogue between characters. The other parts are for adding music, this part. For example, let me pick a music, happy. See, we have a music background. Or you can have some sound effects or texts.